close look at antifragility, a concept introduced by Nassim Nicholas Taleb in his book Antifragile. Antifragile is a made-up word describing the opposite of fragile. The book Antifragile reveals how some systems thrive from shock, volatility, and uncertainty instead of breaking from them. Antifragility can be found in various natural and man-made systems, from ecosystems to financial markets. For example, healthy muscles. Muscle fibers can regenerate even after being bruised or torn during intense exercise. They are built back stronger during this repair process. Think about the work that you do. What is possible when you use this lens of anti-fragile as part of your perspective? What if what you do actually gets stronger when there is a challenge? Which part of your environment are anti-fragile? Adding antifragility to your world can lead to increased resilience, adaptability, and growth. It also gives you opportunity when reality changes. Embracing antifragility allows us to see challenges as opportunities for growth and for improvement. It allows us to change and not to break.